Hey, squids. Happy Wednesday. Hope you're having a good day. I just want to give you a little overview of what you're going to learn about today. So, as you can see, the title of the assignment is Genetics, GMO, and CRISPR. So, you're going to learn a little bit about GMOs and what that is. Okay, so you can see I'm here on Canvas. So, what is a GMO? What's the difference between genetically modified organisms and selectively bred organisms? You may have seen GMOs labeled. So some of your food might say contains GMOs or no GMOs. So it might be something that you've heard of, but you might not know much about it. So hopefully by the end of today, you'll understand what a GMO is and understand some of the issues involved in that. So what I'd like you to do is read through this slideshow. What is a GMO? Basically, guys, people have been manipulating plants and animals for thousands of years. It's called artificial selection. You can choose a trait that you see in a plant, for example, in this corn plant. They liked the way these tasted, but they wanted more of them. So the plants that grew that had a lot of the corn, they bred those with each other. And eventually, over a long time, they got corn that was really big like this, or tomatoes that started out that size and are now this size. They did this with dogs too. So on your own, please watch this. Definitely don't forget to watch that. Then after you watch that video about the dogs, here's another example of a plant that has been modified. All of these different plants, cabbage, Brussels sprouts, kohlrabi, kale, broccoli, and cauliflower, came from this one plant. And it was just selected for different traits. We've done the same thing with chickens. We've done the same thing with cows, pigs. There's all kinds of varieties of these animals that we've selectively bred. And that video on dogs is excellent because it gives you an insight into how we pick the traits and breed the animals to have those traits. So after you watch that video, then here is a definition of what a genetically modified organism is. And it's an organism that has had a little bit of its DNA altered through biotechnology. And the technique that is used now is called CRISPR. And there is a video later on CRISPR as well. Okay, so here's where your work begins. You watch this Nearpod, go to join.nearpod.com and enter this code QH4S7. I'm hoping this works. It worked for me when I tried this. If it doesn't work, the video, I will post the video here so that you can watch it outside of the Nearpod. Okay, after you watch the video and answer those questions on the Nearpod, you guys remember, I can see who's done the Nearpod and who answered all the questions and who didn't, because Nearpod gives me a report. And remember also, the goal of a Nearpod is thinking and engagement. It's not necessarily to get all the answers correct. It's that you're thinking. Okay, so make sure you answer all the questions, even if your answer is, I'm not sure, but I think. Engaging is the most important. When you're done with the Nearpod, the next thing you're going to do is read one of these articles. There's one here on the woolly mammoth. There's one about chocolate and one about self-destructing mosquitoes. Okay, so woolly mammoth clones are closer than ever. Chocolate is susceptible to a virus now, so they're hoping that genetic engineering can give some resistance to that virus. And then glowing genetically engineered mosquitoes that can fight malaria. You read one of these articles and then you answer these questions. If you are level 8 and X, you go back to the slideshow. Go back to the slideshow and watch one of these videos to learn about CRISPR and then answer that final question on the Google Doc. When you're done, you submit the Google Doc, okay? Like I said, I will add that other video, but there's another copy of the presentation here. If you have any difficulties or whatever, let me know. You can email me. I will be accessible by email. And I hope you guys have a great day. Please submit this, by the end of the day. Okay, bye.